2018 outlook for the property market in Spain. With the numbers in, we can say with clarity that the year 2017 was a healthy one for the property industry in Spain. The market bounced back from the lows of 2012 to 14 and posted a 15% increase in transactions in 2017 versus that of 2016. The actual crash of the Spanish property market came to an end in the second quarter of 2014, and since this moment the market has not looked back. Sure, of course, there are several areas which are still lacking, but overall the market is looking up. While it is true, the Spanish are not yet quite out of trouble, with high levels of unemployment and somewhat a weak economy which is restricted by credit, and not to forget the long period of which Spain was operating with or without a government. Tom Roberts, spokesperson of FJP Investment, has said that when the 2008 crash rocked the market to its core, there was little option but to go up. There was very little chance of the market going down, and with international interest remaining very high, there is a significant demand from lifestyle buyers who want the option of holidaying in Spain. In general, what we are seeing is if the stronger economies of Europe do well, we can identify an increase in buyers from areas such as France, Germany, United Kingdom, and the greater region of Scandinavia. There was also the risk from the Brexit vote, with the British buyers very much the top buyers of Spanish property. This predicted decline never happened, and British buyers are still very much in love with the dream of owning a home in the sun. UK investor shows are packed, and Spanish property is very much in demand. In fact, what we have seen from studying Spanish land registry figures, we can see that foreign sales in Spain were close to breaking records. With UK property prices sitting high, we are finding an interesting shift of those over 50 years of age selling up and moving to Spain, finding their money goes a long way in the Spanish property market. The only negative was the decline in the value of the pound, though as of now this has not showed much interest in the Spanish property from buyers in the UK. Considering what we've just spoke about and the demand remaining high, FJP Investment has put together a list of the top 4 areas to give an indication of where investors are likely to buy in 2018. Almeria. Almeria charms buyers like no other region in Spain. It has managed to hold on to the authenticity that much of the coastal regions have lost over the years. Year-on-year sales increased by 93%, with the average property price point being just 129,000 euros. It is far more affordable for most considering the move. FJP Investment is predicting 2018 to be a bumper year for Almeria property, expecting an increase in the number of overseas buyers. Alicante. With property a good 10 to 15% cheaper than all other areas in Spain, Alicante can attract more international investors each year. While the property market in Alicante is very dependent on international buyers, for the time being there is a growth to be seen for at least the next 5 years. Tenerife. Average house prices have increased to 249,000 euros, which represents a steady 5% increase in 2016. This is almost exactly what the national average for property prices in Spain. Interestingly, we have now seen Italy overtake the United Kingdom as the leading number of purchasers. Tenerife is a stunning part of Spain and always has a bumper year of visitors coming in search of the sun, sea, and of course low-cost property. Number 4 is Marbella. Marbella was hit by the 2008 crash but was one of the first to bounce back. Marbella is very much back and the property prices are increasing at a healthy rate. FJP Investment has predicted Marbella to be one of the leading property markets for 2018. With thousands descending on Marbella spending a lot of money in the summer, this is having a significant impact on the local market. Marbella is a popular resort for more than 100 different nationalities that have chosen to live by the sea. The demand is very high and will also increase in 2018. FJP Investment is a team of investment specialists sourcing a wide range of investment opportunities. To find out more, visit the website www.fjpinvestment.co.uk.